Hey everybody, Sarah the wife here. Justin came to me over the winter months with a long list of tractor attachments that he wanted to buy. As head of the finance committee, I shot him down a few times, but eventually caved. Now I'm starting to see the benefit of having all these different tractor attachments at our disposal. We're not just a dedicated tree stump grinding company anymore, we are far much more. Take a look at this most recent project that we did with all of our different tractor attachments.
We got a big day of work here ahead of us. The client rented a stump grinder, missed some roots coming down over kind of around here area. So we're gonna go do some root chasing. Let's take a walk in the backyard. So we got piles of dirt here. There's a stump right there we're gonna go get. We're gonna level all this all through here, right up to kind of their deck area, right into these patio pavers right here. So take all this river rock and stuff, and we're gonna scoop that away. Up on this island, a bunch of river rock, we're gonna go remove all that. So yeah, up here, yeah, you can kind of see it's, you know, a little bit of river rock, some big rocks, random plants, you know, etc., etc. Just kind of goes on. We're gonna take this hill, we're gonna put it next to the third arborvitae, so somewhere around in this area is where we're going to start pulling all the rock from here, from down there. Back here, the client staked out where he's going to build a shed and wants it the subgrade to come down 7 inches. There's also going to be a driveway that goes, you know, in between something like that and comes out, I guess. Wants that at 7 inches, and then there's, I don't know, 3 walking paths going like that. It's 4 inches he wants graded down, and then basically the rest of that garden just tilled. I don't know how to do a tiller with the hand. So yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff going on here today. Between all this stuff, the front yard, the island here, there is a stump, a decent sized stump there also. There's some river rock that kind of got wasted as a spoil pile over here. Once that's scooped up, brought back 1, 2, 3 right here area. We got a lot of work.
Some people say John Deere tractors are just an oversized lawnmower, but what have we got going on today, Justin?
Well, almost can't, I can't deny that. They are an overgrown lawn tractor, and that's a good thing. We went over this with 6 ton of rocks, a little bit of water. We're not going to, disturb the grass too much. Skid steer tore this all up by now. Can a tractor, only do one trick pony? No, you saw us grind multiple stumps, and that's kind of the gateway into this. So a stump grinder can't move river rock, can't level out land, can't push big mounds of dirt that you just saw. So having a tractor that has low ground disturbance allows me to, grind stumps, chase roots, take river rock, move river rock, regrade stuff. Oh, by the way, we're also going to till the garden. So it's a Swiss Army knife. So that's the best as I can put it.
Well said. All right, so getting towards dinner time.
Woo. Oh, thank you, Kens. Freaky fast. Oh, thanks, Kens. Yeah, that's a big job. That was a lot of dirt. I had 4 piles taller than my head that we had to just kind of start spreading out, trying to figure out, contours and stuff like that. This isn't the final grade. We ran into some very wet clay. So we went through it, we tilled it. We're gonna leave it like this for tonight. Tomorrow we'll start running the cultipacker, packing it down, and the TR3 rake to get our final grade and seed bed prep. There's 48 million obstacles. I don't know how all of it's gonna feather in and blend in, but I know we can do it. For the shed pad, we went down 10 inches in some areas, and then about 5, 6, kissing 7 in the other corner. After going down, 10, 11 inches, it became apparent we're gonna have to go to dig to China, knock on, pardon the pun, to get it flat and level to come all down. And it's just a subgrade. The homeowner client is gonna put in this river rock that we ripped out all through there, and then put a MnDOT class 2 and class 5 over that. There's a path coming in the side, the front, middle. There's a driveway coming down the side. Those all had to get, about targeting about 7 inches of undercut for the subgrade. Yeah, just a big job today. And tomorrow we'll wrap it up and call it a done deal.
Sounds awesome. Hey, thanks.
High five.
Oh, geez, look at that.
Well, let's take a walk through the project. So this is a stump right here. Ground out the stump a little bit and did basically root chasing. Then as a final dressing, I just hit it with the tiller and made it nice and, flat. It'll be ready for the homeowner to seed. We're gonna hit this area on our way out. They did like an egress window and some of the spoils over here. We're going to just hit it with the tiller, try to level it out, and bring it a little closer to seed prep. So yesterday we rough graded all this area, and there was the big stump over there. So we're gonna hit that and try to make that a little more pretty. And there's our project site over the mound in the back. Let's go take a look. We have some rock to take out through here, some more river rock. We'll hit that. Yeah, that's our pile so far. And what do we got over here? So far, we have everything kind of rough graded and just with the tiller, right? So nothing too exciting. We have the pad by those stakes, about 7 inches below grade. There's, yeah. So right now we're just going to try to till it one more time, get it nice and fluffy, and then we'll use the cultipacker, pack it down, the TR3 to do some final grading, and we'll feather it all out. No right way or wrong way. It's literally just driving in circles. You need a little more over here, a little more over there. Make another circle. Well, that's kind of it. So we got everything kind of graded and leveled. We cleaned up the edges for the subgrade for the building structure, for the driveway, for that kind of stuff. But now we got a big pile of dirt here that we need to regrade and level out again. That's a lot of circles. But she's coming along.
This looks a lot more level and smoother today. What have we got going on this T-shaped indentation back there?
The T shape, the cross your I's and dot your T's, your cross part. That's a pad for a shed. The client's going to use the river rock that we brought out, lay that as a base, and then throw some, I think it was class 2, MnDOT class 2 on top of that. That's just a crushed rock with binder. And then the aisle coming down is a pathway, and they're going to have 3 standing gardens on each side, on to the left and to the right. There's a pathway near the fence, and that's going to be for, he's going to have a garage door on the end, and that's where he's going to park his lawnmower and shed items. Yeah, it was a lot of dirt. The big clumps, we hit it with the tiller, and the tiller did great. Once we made big clumps into small clumps, and we used the TR3 rake and pulverized everything and graded everything nice and smooth. A lot of circles, a lot of back and forth. Austin Powers would be impressed. But we're going to go for a lunchtime client inspection and see if we passed or not. Wish me luck.